very informative, and it actually got me back to my basic knowledge and strengthened my basic knowledge. And the topic which was there, the shoulder injury, was very important because it is such a common scenario which I work in. Like, I get many shoulder patients, and it was very informative, and it will definitely help me treat my patients better. And this also created an awareness about the communication gap or communication lack which is there between the surgeon and a physiotherapist, and the importance about communicating between these two medical professionals for betterment of our patients.